Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. I'm just sitting here chilling with my little future puppy right here. Well, anyway, I wanted to touch base with you guys real quick and let you guys know that I did not forget you. All right, I never forget to because I haven't loaded up any videos lately. I've been super busy with the wedding and all that stuff, and then I don't know if you guys know that I just opened up a clothing boutique. Q to Fashion. Well, I've had it for years, but I just recently moved it to a new location here in Georgia, Jonesboro, Georgia. So I've been like super busy and haven't been doing any recipes at all, really. This just the wedding, get the store open, and finally, we've just first opened this past Saturday, which was October 8th. So I'm happy about that. Yep, and so I'm so excited. The wedding is coming up, and I'm super excited about it. Yeah, I'm so excited. So that's what I've been up to. I do miss you guys though, but I still try to answer all my questions on recipes and whatever concerns you guys have. I do still go on there and answer it. Just something I have no time for make recipes right now and editing. Plus, my computer, my laptop mash up, you know, go on overeat and mash up. So yeah, um, let's see what you guys been up to. So yeah, so what you guys been up to out there? I hope you guys good and hope everything is good with y'all. I hope you guys miss me as much as I missed you. But this is just a quick video letting you guys know that I love you all and I did not forget you guys. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for sharing my videos. And thank you for watching. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support on Facebook. Just thank you for the love, period, And thank you guys for having my back. When the people them left the negative messages them, but not have to say nothing about them, Wanna just deal with the case. Yeah, but just thank you in general. Yeah. Now, you see my rock a different here, right? I'm just trying to do something different so I don't have to comb my hair because I've been like super busy. And I did lose some weight too, guys. Yeah, I lost a little weight because I've been doing that shake. I've been having a smoothie every morning and a smoothie for lunch. And then I've been just having a small portion meal for dinner every single day. And I have lost a total of 15 pounds in 4 weeks. So it is showing. My face and look so chubby like the other day. So yeah. So that's been going pretty good. I feel good. I feel strong. I feel healthy. You know what, too? Want to point out, thank you guys for all the love that you showed on my video that I posted about the time when my sister died. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Y'all made my day, you know. I miss her every day, and I know, she would be proud of me right now. And yeah, I know that if she was here right now, she would have been planning my wedding. And yeah, I'm just happy, and I'm just here thanking God for everything that He's done for me. And you know, life sometimes gets you down and stuff, but I give Him thanks because I'm healthy and I'm strong and I'm happy. I've got a beautiful fiance and that loves me unconditionally. I have my children that loves me as well unconditionally, and I have wonderful friends like you that support me and have my back. So what I can't ask for nothing, So yeah. But anyway, guys, I love you so much, and thanks for keeping up with me. I'm gonna put the link below for everybody who want to leave gifts and stuff for my wedding, which is coming up November 12th. Love you lots, and I will catch you in my earliest video. Talk to you later. Bye.